Have you ever had a chiropractic adjustment?
What's that?
It's a procedure where a guy who couldn't get into medical school tries to rip your head off.
Does it work?
If you believe it works. It's kind of like the Polar Express.
Let's do it!
Okay, I'll give it a shot. But this type of thing is usually done in strip malls next to a Little Caesars.
Holy crap, what happened?
Well, I think we simply found your true height.
Whoa, Peter, what happened? Did you tease that witch again?
No, I got a back adjustment. Turns out I've been this tall all along.
You don't say.
Well, that's amazing.
Why are you still wearing the same pants?
I don't know, I only get pants at Christmas, so I'll get pants at Christmas.
So, how is it being that tall?
Yeah, it's okay, I guess. Although I've noticed I'm a lot more clumsy in the bedroom. I'm so sorry. You two keep going. I'm gonna clean this up.
All right, the Quahog Fair. Hey, Peter, would you get off your phone?
Sorry, young girls keep killing each other because they think I'm the Slender Man now.
Are you telling them to kill each other?
It's just a goof.
You sure you're not too tall for this?
Nah, it's gonna be great. Yay!
Ow! Who kicked me?
Sorry.
What the hell?
My bad.
Ow, who's doing that?
It's that jerk up there.
It's Slender Man!
Kill yourselves.
Peter!
Come on, it's just a goof.
What's the matter, Peter?
I'm just sick of being tall. I had a hard enough time getting everything in the toilet before. I want my old body back.
Well, there is a way.
What is it?
Lock the front door. Peter, if you really want to get shorter, I can berate you.
What?
The female power to belittle is such that the recipient can physically shrink in stature. That's why husbands and wives are the same height in old age.
Lois, berate me.
Okay, Peter, but if I do this, I really gotta do it.
Do it.
For starters, you're a failure.
Ah!
You didn't go to college, Daddy pays our mortgage, and you're a terrible husband and father.
Ouch!
Your whole life is a pattern of hateable noises.
Oh!
The way you chew a banana makes it sound like it's filled with bones.
Ouch!
I loathe the little wheeze at the crest of every breath you take.
Yikes!
I hate the one story you tell at every cocktail party about almost meeting John Kerry.
That's a good story.
You didn't even meet him.
Almost.
Your eyeglass lenses have been smudged for 19 years.
Ah, crap.
Everyone hates it when you see fireworks and you announce, "This is the finale!"
Please stop.
Pink Floyd is multiple guys!
He is?
You're so predictable. I know every word that's gonna come out of your mouth before you even say it.
Balderdash. Heavens. Stop that. I worked for Purelator Courier before they went bankrupt.
Appearance. Intelligence. Penis size. Another thing.
Well, Lois, you are a master.